There are a couple of things you need to know about Albany. And probably the most important is that it is devoid of traffic lights. Albany does not have a set of traffic lights. The town is controlled by roundabouts. And not just four-way roundabouts, it's unique in that the main roundabout as you enter into town is actually a five-way roundabout. So probably be a good idea just to brush up on the rules of roundabouts, and that is that if you're exiting in the first exit points, you can use the left-hand lane to exit from. If you're going to exit from the third, fourth or fifth, you must use the right-hand lane. It's as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, you might like to check out this video, or maybe browse this playlist. There are over 700 videos just like these on this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell and we'll let you know when the next video is available. If you liked this video, hit the like button, comment, and feel free to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.